loves, welcome back to another video. Girl, I'm so excited because this is a makeup tutorial. I have not done a makeup tutorial in so long, so let's just go ahead and get into it. I got all my makeup down here, and girl, we about to get into it. I've already done my skincare, moisturized my skin, and then we're gonna move on to prepping the skin and my favorite primer. So I'll have everything linked down below, what I use. It's just gonna be a chill bag video, get you, something to snack on or do your makeup along with me. But the primer that we're using is this primer right here. It's by e.l.f. and it's the Power Grip primer with 4% nickel. Girl, I ain't even about to mess that word up, but yeah, it's the pink one. So as y'all can see, I have a few blemishes going on. Let's zoom up so y'all can see. So y'all see, we got a blemish here, got some right here on my chin, a few over here, and of course I have darker under eye circles. So I'm going to show you what I do to conceal those before we go in with any foundation or anything like that. So I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just going to dab a little bit over top. This is the color Tan Sand, just in case you're my complexion. Now, as I'm blending it out, I'm just using pat motions. And one of the things I've learned over the years is that I am so heavy-handed, and you have to be gentle when you're blending out your foundation and concealer. Have a gentle hand, okay? Don't be beating it into your skin. You have to gently pat. And another reason why you want to pat is because when you're trying to build coverage, you want to pat it into the skin instead of rubbing it, because when you rub it, you shear the foundation or concealer out, and it's not going to give you as much coverage as it would if you was to pat it in. All right, so that looks good. That looks good. It's a little light, but it's all good. And if you wanted to do this on just like a regular day, you can definitely get a foundation that matches a little bit closer to your skin complexion, and then you can put some face powder on top or just set it and be on your way. Put a little mascara on and baby, you are good to go. But now we're gonna go in with one of my favorite products. I use this as like a foundation. It's not a foundation, it's a tinted serum. It's the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. I'm in the shade medium tan, which is 5'6", and it looks like this. So I love this product because it gives me the coverage that I need. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, it's perfect for this season that we're in now, which is summertime. So I just put a little bit, because you can build this up. So just start out with a little bit and then you can build it up. One thing I found is that this little dropper thing does not work. Like, this thing do not be working with me. And if it does work, it squirts out just a little bit. However, that does not take anything away from the formula and my love for this product. So yeah, we're gonna blend this out. And where is my foundation brush? Okay, here's my foundation brush. This is the Morphe M6. Oh my god, y'all, this is giving back like old YouTube vibes. Like, hold on, let me hold on. If you are OG and you used to watch makeup tutorials, y'all know what I'm talking about. Morphe M6. Love this brush because it has like the flat top right here. I used to go back and forth between beauty blenders and using brushes, but now I'm in my brush era. Give me a brush all day, every day. Y'all see that coverage? Like, matches so well with my complexion. And it looks so skin-like. As you can see, I've gotten a little tan because my foundation or tinted serum, as you can see, I've gotten a little tan because this serum is a little bit lighter. But it's all good because we're gonna make it work. We're going to make it work. When you're blending your foundation, make sure you bring it down your neck so everything blends seamlessly. You don't have to come all the way down here, but you do want to, blend it into your neck. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. I had to change out my lens and I had to push my camera back because of the lens. But hopefully y'all can still hear me, and hopefully I'm staying in focus now because the other lens I had on kept taking me out of focus. So hopefully y'all see this footage and it doesn't have to get trashed. However, we're gonna keep moving. As you can see, my face looks a little blah, and now we need to add some dimension back into the skin and highlight the skin in some areas. So we're gonna start out with adding some dimension, and that's where your contour comes in. I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal. This is the Skin Perfecting Foundation Stick in the shade Nutmeg. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on the brush and blend it into the skin. It's a little bit on the orangier side, the warm side, and I'm kind of just like, ooh. I wanted something a little bit more cool tone, but it's all good. The smaller brush, this is a Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna take a little bit and go down the sides of my nose, just a little bit. Now I want to highlight under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer. This is the Pro Filter concealer. It's not the new one, and this is the shade 300. And like we did before, we're just gonna let this dry out just a little bit to help with coverage. Feeling a little eyeshadow today, so I'm gonna go in this Jackie Hill palette by Morphe and play with a few of these shades. I just want something simple on my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer because I don't want it to dry out too much, just because it'll make it hard to blend out. So I think I have let it dry out too much. You see, like when I'm blending it out, it's like not moving so much. So what you can do is take your setting spray and then blend it out. So this is the part that needs most of your attention because you have to blend. As you can see, nothing really looks blended together. So that's when you want to go back and forth between brushes and just blend everything together. So I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and just go in this area to blend out those harsh lines. To set my under eye concealer, I like to use my Laura Mercier powder. Love this stuff. And I like to use one of these powder puffs. I got like a whole 12 pack off Amazon, and I just put it in between my fingers and just like pat under my eyes. To set the rest of my face, I've been using this Fit Me powder, and this is something new that I've added to my makeup routine, and so far so good. But I am still looking for another face powder, just because I don't know if I'm 100% like in love with this, but it's doing the job. And this is translucent. My shade is 30, but if you're looking for something affordable that gets the job done, boom, here you go. Now we're gonna go in with the bronzer to bronze the skin. This is by Revolution, and the shade is Long Weekend. This is something new that I've picked up lately, and I absolutely love this bronzer. For blush, I'm going to go into this Anastasia Trio palette, and I'm taking the shade Desert, and it's this orangey shade right here. I've just been into more orangier blushes. I don't know, I just love, love, love how they look on me. And I like to go and take a little bit over the tip on my nose. Right now, I'm just gonna go in like crazy in with my setting spray. And when you spray the setting spray, it's gonna take that cakey look away from you using like all the powders And sometimes I go over this setting spray with the one size setting spray because the one size just really locks it in. Just because I sweat a lot and I tend to sweat on my face. So that one size really helps to keep those oils under control. However, I still be getting oily, but it just helps out just a little bit more. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do lashes, y'all, because I don't wear lashes like that. And I usually just do mascara, but I feel like when I do, I was not intending on doing this much eyeshadow, but I feel like when I do a lot of eyeshadow, I do need to do like a little lash. And I don't have any of my press-on lashes. However, we're gonna do mascara first to see how that looks and if I need a little extra. One of my favorite mascaras at the moment is by Lancome, and it's this one right here. It's Lash Idol. So we're going to apply this and see what we're looking like. This lip liner right here is one of my favorites. It's by Sephora. It's the Rouge Gel Lip Liner and the shade is Molasses. I love this color. However, I feel like I need one just like a little lighter than this because I don't be wanting to go this dark all the time. But this is my favorite lip liner just because I love the way that it glides on. On my lips today, we are going to take Lancome Self-Revealing Mattifying Lipstick. This is a matte lipstick. This has been my go-to color lately. Ooh, I feel like we need some lashes, y'all. This is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna come back and show y'all everything together and how we looking. But I love how it came out. Lashes are big. They're simple, but they're a little bit dramatic. And I'm just kind of like, I'm not used to this. So I just gotta get used to looking at myself with these lashes because I haven't had no lashes like this in a long time. But I like how it came out. Okay, I like it. I like it. I can dig it. I can dig it. I don't have a name for these lashes because I actually got them in a box when I got a wig. But girl, let's do this hair, okay? And y'all are gonna see that in another video. Thank y'all so much for watching this makeup tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I will link everything that I used today in the video down below in the description box, so make sure you click the links if you guys are interested in any of the products that I used today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. It felt good to sit down, do my makeup just like old times and just, you know, show you guys what I do to get my flawless finish. This is not like an everyday look. This is when you want to spruce it up a little bit. If you guys want a more everyday look, definitely let me know down below in the comment section so I'll know that you like these types of videos, because I haven't done makeup, like strictly makeup videos, in a very long time. So I just want to make sure it's something you guys are still interested in watching. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Later. Live like royalty, treat you like a king if I try.